Unraveling the mystery, in cahoots with. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit like it's straight out of a mystery novel, in cahoots with. This intriguing expression has a colorful background and a meaning that's as interesting as its wording. So, let's uncover the secrets behind this phrase and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. To be in cahoots with someone means to be collaborating or partnering with someone else, often in secret and usually to do something dishonest or illegal. It implies a sense of conspiracy or a secret partnership. The phrase often carries a negative connotation, suggesting that the collaboration is not for a good cause. The phrase, in cahoots with, has a somewhat murky origin, but it's believed to have appeared in the 19th century. Cahoots might come from the French word, cahoot, meaning a cabin or a small shelter, suggesting a close, secretive meeting place. Over time, the term evolved to mean a secret partnership or conspiracy, leading to the phrase as we know it today. Using in cahoots with in a sentence is quite straightforward. It's typically used to suggest that two or more parties are working together secretly. Here are a few examples. The thieves were believed to be in cahoots with the security guard, which is how they managed to enter the building unnoticed. I'm starting to think that the two competitors are in cahoots with each other to monopolize the market. The movie's plot revolves around a group of politicians who are in cahoots with corporations to pass laws in their favor. If you're looking to vary your language or find a phrase that fits better in certain contexts, there are several synonyms for in cahoots with. Some of these include collaborating with, conspiring with, in league with, in conspiracy with. Each of these can be used interchangeably, depending on the tone and context of your sentence. We hope this video has shed some light on the curious phrase, in cahoots with. It's a colorful expression that adds a layer of intrigue and mystery to your conversations. Whether you're crafting stories, discussing theories, or simply exploring the richness of the English language, understanding phrases like this one can make your communication more engaging and nuanced. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of language together in our future videos. Happy learning!